Truepill Honest review. Watch before using. Truepill is a digital health platform that provides telehealth diagnostics and pharmacy fulfillment services. Founded in 2016, it partners with healthcare companies to offer integrated healthcare solutions, including prescription delivery, telemedicine, and consultation. Here are the key features about this platform. Truepill operates as a licensed pharmacy, offering prescription processing and nationwide medication delivery. The platform facilitates virtual consultation between patient and healthcare provider, enabling remote diagnosis and treatment. And also, Truepill provide at-home diagnostics test kits and allowing patients to conduct tests and receive results remotely. And also, businesses can integrate Truepill services into their own platform using the API, enabling seamless healthcare solution. And here are the pros and the cons about this platform. The pros offers a wide range of healthcare services from telehealth consultation to prescription fulfillment and diagnosis. Provides services across the United States, ensuring accessibility for a broad patient base, and also allow businesses to integrate Truepill service into their own platform, enhancing service offering. And here the downside about this platform. Internal review indicates challenges with management and work-life balance. Truepill has an overall rate of 2.6 out of 5 based on over 228 reviews left anonymously by employees. 24% of employees could recommend working at Truepill to a friend, and 20% have a positive outlook for the business. Truepill agreed to be required by Harryland and let's get checked for about 525 million. Both companies are facing financial challenges and aim to strengthen their business by integrating patient data. And here's the customers' feedback about these platforms. While specific customer reviews are limited, enabling analysis suggested that Truepills.com appears to be legitimate online pharmacy services with a general positive reputation. The site has an average to good trust score, indicating that it is safe to use. And for more, you can simply go to reasonable.com for more customer feedback. And here's the final conclusion about this platform. Truepill offers a comprehensive site of digital health service, including pharmacy fulfillment, telehealth, and diagnostics, making it a valuable partner for healthcare providers seeking integrated solution. However, potential partners and customers should be aware of internal employee satisfaction challenges and companies' recent acquisition, which may impact service delivery during the transition period. Overall, Truepill presents a robust platform with the potential to enhance digital health care delivery.